Welcome to this guided meditation. Before we begin, find a comfortable space where you can fully relax. Please ensure that you are in a safe environment and not engaged in any activities that require your attention, such as driving. Throughout this meditation, there will be a moment of silence. Embrace this pause as an opportunity to tune into the wisdom of your soul and receive any messages meant for you. Create boundaries for yourself, allowing this time to be sacred and personal. Now, take a deep breath and let go of the outside world. Your journey within is about to unfold. Hi, sweet ones, and welcome to this week's guided meditation as we learn to trust fall into the universe, surrendering to life happening for us. It is my hope that as you journey with me today, you feel the profound love and connection always present within you, that you experience the grace and divine protection of Source all throughout your life, and that as you sink into this journey, that you can believe fully in miracles happening for you. Big deep breath as we sink into this sacred space. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Breathing deeply into the here and now. In through your nose, out through your mouth. As you breathe, envisioning yourself walking up a beautiful mountain path. Vast trees surround you, and just over the edge you see the most beautiful view of heaven on earth. Cascading landscapes, waterfalls, beautiful lakes filled with shimmering blue water, wildlife living in harmony, the warmth of the sun cascading all around you. And as you climb this mountain path, a beautiful peace washes over you. Swirling throughout you, a bright red energy grounds you into our sacred Earth Mother, anchoring you into safety, stability, anchoring you into your truth, your knowing. Breathing in this powerful red energy as a vibrant orange now dances through your energy body, filling you, overflowing with life force energy. As you breathe in this sustenance, this grace, you feel your body relax into flow and surrender, inspired, enlivened, in awe of the beauty and harmony within. As an electric yellow now pulses through you, opening your power center fully, igniting the flame of creation within. allowing you to move forward in aligned action, feeling the unending support and strength within, a drive for life, purpose, will, breathing in this powerful energy. A beautiful green now trickles down through your field, opening and expanding your heart space, aligning you with the frequency of love, bridging the gap between human and divine, allowing you to open to worlds unknown as you feel the oneness all around you. A bright blue energy now opens through your field, allowing your soul essence to fully shine. A deep knowing within, the freedom to express your authentic soul's truth in a state of ethereal wonder, embodied in your divinity. As this blue deepens into a vibrant indigo, unveiling all the universal knowledge that has always been and will always be available to you. As your expanded view becomes clear and pristine, a vibrant, beautiful violet pours through your crown as you remember fully your divine nature, knowing you are pure consciousness streaming through this human vessel, completely aligned, fully in tune with your true nature, here, now, in this lived experience. As the colors fade and you find yourself nearing the top of this mountain path, you look out on this wondrous view one more time, taking your breath away, this vast masterpiece of earth, in awe of its beauty and wonder as you reach the summit of this beautiful mountain. And you see your guardian angel, wings outstretched to either side, awaiting your arrival. And they say, "Hello, sweet one. We have been waiting for you. We have been with you every moment of every day since you incarnated into this lifetime. You have never been alone for one single breath. You are held, nurtured, guided, and protected always. Trust me now." As you take your guardian angel's hands, you feel your own wings protruding from each side of you. Standing on the edge of the cliff, your angel says, "Can you trust me?" As you breathe in, standing with your back off the side of the edge of the cliff, you instinctually allow yourself to fall. And as you fall, colors of every shade glimmer through your beautiful vision. And you feel your wings catch you, your guardian angel leading the way as you fly safely over the landscapes, taking in the beauty before you. As you fly, your guardian angel has created space to answer any and all of the questions that are arising for you now, and to deliver a special message about your true nature and the divine support always around you. Take the time to listen now. As this beautiful journey comes to an end, you and your guardian angel glide back onto the top of the mountain's peak. You feel deep relief surging through your bones. A new clarity is found as you remember this divine connection. Breathing in, allowing your guardian angel's specific message to sink in fully to your heart. And as you look them in the eye, know that they never leave your side, that your connection is eternal and ongoing. Breathing into the safety of this moment, allowing your guardian angel to wrap their arms around you, embracing you in this space. Feeling the beauty and the safety within. As you say goodbye, thanking them for their time, they whisper into your ear one final message. They speak to you about a symbol that you can see in your waking reality that will instantly allow you to remember this divine support in any moment in which you may forget. Lock this symbol into your mind's eye now. As you walk back down the mountain peak, fully ready and prepared to step into your waking reality, walking taller, knowing that you are always guided and protected in all you do, that life is working out in your favor, that each and every event is happening for and through you. Breathing into this knowing as you land back in your physical reality, wiggling your fingers and toes, breathing in the peace present for you now, lying here as long as you need to integrate. Namaste, sweet one, I love you.